wanna go swimming and I wanna see the fish underwater.
Naririnig ko anong sinasabi ko.
Oh. That is kinda tough. Oh! Hi, I'm Heath.
Hi, I'm Caprice.
And
this is Kapuso Exclusives.
Hey!
Ako po, ma-text po talaga ako, lalo na po kapag sa public area po. Medyo nahihiya po kapag may kakol, naririnig ko anong sinasabi ko. Kaya text po.
Ako naman po call kasi it's always been funny you're calling my friends po. And they always like say some random stuff and it's so funny to hear. Because I love martial arts and I also love watching action movies and I love seeing stunts.
Ako naman po comedy kasi mahilig po akong tumawa, manood po ng mga nakakatawa, mga memes.
Movies. Favorite movies? Ako, favorite movie ko? Any Transformer movie.
Ako po, favorite movie ko ay Forrest Gump. Sunrise! Okay.
It's the sunrise. Oh. You're kinda tough.
Gusto ko po talaga yung city kasi mahilig din po talaga ako maglakad-lakad. Yung, kunyari, punta po sa cafe, tapos magmamall, pabalik-balik po, ganon.
Ako naman po, I picked the beach because I wanna go swimming and I wanna see the fish underwater habang nasa-snorkel.
Mimi! Mimi! No sleep.
I love food. Oh!
Thank
Thank you for watching! Bye! Whatever you're into,
Play them all on GMA's official video streaming app, GMA
GMA Play.
Play.